Hi friends, it's Julia, and today I am here to share my November 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, day number 6. This is a series that I started at the first of the year where I create my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit at the first of the month, and at the end of the month I show you 7 layouts that I've created with that kit. This month I did pull in some sketches from page maps November 2020 as well as November 2021. Today's sketch is going to be from November 2020, and it's this one here. It does have 3 photos. It has 3 embellishment clusters. It's got some border strips used in there, maybe pocket page cards or different bits and pieces of cards. Anywho, and it looks like the page might be bordered. It just could be the printing of it, but it could be bordered. So what I've done is I've pulled in several papers. These 2 lighter shades of pink as the background. Then I pulled in this leafy color, and then I've pulled in the introduction to the paper pack for Emily, which is what I'm using this month. And then I found this border strip that's left over from Emily, and I'm going to pull that in as well. Somehow I have my 3 photos, and I think you can see why I chose the colors. The green background, of course, and then my granddaughter is wearing a pink shirt and some, I can't tell if they're blue or black shorts. So that's why I pulled in the colors that I did. So I've pulled in a couple of pocket page cards. I've pulled in these Harper tags, these Harper frames, the Harper die cuts. These are Freckled Fawn. These are Emily stickers. These are label stickers from October 20. I don't know when these are from. These are old Freckled Fawn. These are from February of 2016, and I have one left on this sheet that I want to try and get used up. These are from who knows when, but they're older Freckled Fawn stickers. I have a couple left. 1, 2, 3 on this front sheet, and then quite a few left on that back sheet. I have these labels. I have 2 left on this sheet. These label stickers, those didn't have a date, and those don't have a date. These Shea arrows and ampersands. This Emily alphabet, this Harper alphabet, and these Freckled Fawn alphas. And I don't have a date on those either. Anywho, so that's everything I've pulled together. I will show you a close-up of the sketch. And then I will come back and show you the layout that I created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 6. Let me show you what I did not use. I did not use any of the labels from here. I did not use any of these frames or any of the chipboard tags. I did not use any of the ampersands or arrows. I thought about it, but I didn't end up doing it. These are my paper scraps. I cut off a piece of my pocket page card, and I kept this one only because this is a shape and a design that I'll use. The other one that I had, I cut off a piece of it, and I'm not going to save that. That's not something that I would use. This is the introduction sheet to the Emily kit. It had this piece in the middle, like this. It had this on the bottom, and then at the top it had a band of polka dots that you could cut off for a border strip, and that's what I did. I cut it off. But these will go back into my stash to use on another page. And I use these pieces all the time as background paper. I had a leftover piece of that leafy paper. I finished off those bitty blings that I had. I finished off the last sticker here, and I had 2 stickers on this one that I finished off. And those are ready for the trash can. I used several bits from the Emily ephemera pack. I used several bits from this Harper embellishment pack. I used 1 sticker from this sheet from Emily. I used 2 of the stickers, this one with the, I don't know, like a blue-green type color. off. I use one strip off each of those. I used a sticker from this sheet. I used this 2 stickers from this sheet. I used 1 sticker from this sheet. Yeah, just 1. I did use this alpha pack only for the hearts at the bottom. I used this one for part of my title and this one for part of my title. There is the sketch. Again, here is the sketch that I used, and here is the layout that I created. I also used my border punch. On this one, I took bits and pieces from each of the embellishment packs, the Harper and the Emily, and I mixed them up. So you see, this is a floral piece from the Harper collection, and both of these are from the Emily collection. But I took some of the additional pieces that I had, the flowers here, and tucked them in behind here to create some similarities. Same here, I added some of those around here. I put in little bits and pieces of tags all around here. There's that one green one you can barely see. There's a couple there, a couple there. There's 2 here, there's 1 here, and there's actually 2 here. There's that little sticker. There's part of my journaling card, and then this other journaling card I used for my title block, and my title is She Sings Because She Has a Song. Now that's my take on a Maya Angelou quote, or yeah, quote, I guess. It's a bird doesn't sing because it has an answer, it sings because it has a song. And I thought that's what I would take and try and make that into a title, because we were walking through the woods at my mom's house in Enid, Mississippi, and it's a lake town, and so there's trees and forest everywhere. And so as we were walking and, you know, just trudging through the woods, just having a look around, my granddaughter just breaks out in song. She makes up her own words and to the tune in her head and starts singing. You know, that's just what she does, and that's okay. Here are the washi strips that I used. I kind of overlapped them there in the middle. Here's that polka dot piece down here on the bottom, and then I used 2 border strips, that blue one that I punched out, and then again that one was off the leaf paper there. So let me give you a close-up. I will have close-ups of the layout at the end of the video, so if you're interested in seeing those close-ups, make sure stick around for that. If you're interested in seeing more videos with this kit, check out and I will post it up in the corner. It is my November 2021 playlist, and it will have the Counterfeit Kit Challenge layouts 1 through 7 in there. I haven't worked on 7 yet, but this is number 6, so 7 will be coming. So make sure stick around and check that out. If you're interested in seeing more layouts made from the stash that you have on hand, rather than going out and buying more stash for each new layout, hang out, because that's what I do. I build these counterfeit kits each month, and then my goal is to get them used up. Even if it's just making 7 layouts, that's still using a pretty good piece, and sometimes I can save those leftovers to do other projects with. Anyway guys, I appreciate you being here, and I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.